This week I downloaded and installed the Citizens Pro plugin, which allows you to create audiences of people or like lines of people walking, and it comes with a bunch of different types of people, like people in their swim trunks, people in normal days, winter clothes, summer clothes, stuff like that. So I installed that because I wanted to start adding people to the park as like the next biggest step. And so today I'm going to show you what that looks like and how I did it. People over here are waiting in line to get into the park. We see this every day. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside the park. So as you can see, there's a ton of people here. There's people standing around, people walking around, people in the pool, just like talking, and this is what it looks like at the pool. So now I'm gonna show you how I did this.
So the first step is when we go up to the top into Citizens Pro, click on Audience, and then click on where you want them to be. So it's going to be the terrain they're going to be standing on. So what you want to make sure is that the terrain has a mesh collider. So you're going to click on that. You can see it has mesh collider here. Now if you close all of these tabs, go down to the very bottom, you can see that it's right here. So zoom in, you can see it's checkerboard. Yeah, it'll show up like this. And so move around to where you need to be. The second one there, weird. Delete it. And so now what you want to do is go to the very top, lock it. Oh, that's the wrong one. Make sure you click on the audience, not surface. Lock it, then go into your assets, into the Citizen Pro tab. Go over to People Prefab. You can go male, female, children. I'm gonna go with male. Go with beach because we're at a pool. Then select as many as you want, and drag them over to People Prefabs. See, they're now in here. And so next few things are, I'll show you the next few things are. Right here, you have the surface type, so you can spawn as a rectangle or as a circle. I'm gonna make it a circle. I'm just gonna move it more towards the center. You have the circle diameter, which is how big it is, so I'm gonna set it to 10. It just means that that's the area people are gonna spawn in, so it's just gonna be more area for them to spawn in instead of tight small circle. Next is show surface, which you're gonna want to disable always when you're done with uh people, so turn that off. We'll leave it on for now. Next is people count, so how many people are going to be spawning in. So I'm going to increase that to, let's say, how many people I'm going to say 10. Uh, 10. Next, if you want them to like watch something go by, you can drag that object in here and they'll stare at it as it goes by. Then you also want to enable looking for that as well. So now what we're going to do is populate. You see people are spawning in, do multiple times so you're happy with it. I'm happy with that. And so now you click play. So as you can see here, they are doing emotes and stuff. They're moving around, they're standing, they're just being idle, being an audience. And so now I'm going to show you how to have people walking around. So the first step is going to be going up to the Citizens Pro tab at the very top again. But this time instead, you're going to be clicking on walking people. So now that you're in that, you want to click where you want to start. Make sure that you don't keep it locked. You want to unlock it so that stuff actually shows up. I want to see line started there. Just keep going around. It's a little weird because the mouse doesn't directly line up with the path, so it's take a little getting used to. But just keep following it. Keep the mouse on the screen. If you got the screen, then it doesn't work. Just keep going around. Go long. How longer you go, the weirder the angles are gonna be. So like, if you're going to cut the turns, you want to keep it short, like this. Fidget around. If you do direct like 90-degree turns, they turn weird. So I'm just gonna do an example of that. I'll show you later. Keep it going. Keep it going. Go around like this, all the way around. Then once you're coming up towards the end, you want to get close but not exactly on it. So I'm just gonna go like right here. Then you want to type in the path name, so I'm just gonna do circle, and then click finish. Now it'll be it's created. What you want to do, the first thing you want to do is, if you want them to go in circle, and not teleport from the end to the start, you want to do loop path. Now you can see they're connected. And so now you want to lock it at the very top, select your people again, and drag them into people prefabs. Now it's going to people walk on the path. You click populate. This is if you want them to walk. If you want them to run, so move faster, go into move type, click run. I want them to walk though. And populate until you're happy with it. I'm happy with that. And we're going to run it. So once it's unloading, you'll see what it looks like. As you can see right here, people are walking around. If you have a direct turn like that, where it's like 90-degree turn or sharper, you either just turn like that and drift. You don't want that. You want them to keep it on like wider angles so that they walk in better, like more smooth and like fluid. So as you can see, they're walking around.